Here is the sign for wait. Okay, we're going to use both hands and the hand shapes are the same. Open hands, fingers spread apart. Just turn them around and all we're going to do is flutter our fingers. Shake our fingers, wiggle our fingers. Wait. Wait. From the side, wait. From the other side, wait. From the front, wait. Okay, let's do it 3 times, starting from the rest position. Sign with me. Here we go. Wait. 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 Okay, something important here. This is a directional sign, right? So if your son or daughter, they run up quickly, you would go in their direction. The little Jimmy, little Julie, whoever, they're standing over here, you'd go, wait. Wait. I've also seen it. It's very common just to use one hand. Wait. Or wait. If you're lefty, wait. In this course, we're going to use 2 hands. Wait. If someone comes running up from this side and you're busy with something, wait. Wait. If I'm talking to you and you're just like, come on, let's go. And I'm like, wait. Okay, so a quick review. Hand shapes like that. Flip them in, palms facing towards you, and just direct it towards whomever you're talking to. Wait. If you're talking to Fred over there and you go like this, Fred's going to be like, who are they talking to over there? If you want Fred to wait, then put it in his direction. Wait. Okay, good. We just talked about how to sign wait.